What's cracking, my friends? Michael Parrish with CosmicCuts.com here. One of the most frequently asked questions I receive on a daily basis is, Michael, I'm new to my spiritual journey. I'm really trying to delve in, but I don't know where to start. I'm just beginning spiritual enlightenment. How do I use crystals to help me through that, to start my journey? And boom, right here is where you start. A Chakra Healing Collection Bag from CosmicCuts.com. You got 7 chakras, which are energy portals. You got your root chakra, which grounds you and stabilizes you. You got your Sacrel chakra, which is where your motivation and passion comes from. You got your solar plexus chakra, which is where your self-love and identity comes from. You got your heart chakra, which is your love for others and how you interact in the world. You have your throat chakra, which is how you communicate your truth, spiritually and physically. You have your third eye chakra, which is your intuition, spirituality. And you have your crown chakra, which is your connection to the divine, connection to source. And each one of these crystals resonates with one of your chakras. You got 7 chakras, you got 7 gemstones. These are beautiful. Let's take a closer look at what you get. All right, baby. Now we're talking. The Chakra Healing Collection Bag from CosmicCuts.com comes with this very handy info card and these 7 gemstones, all very, very high quality. Crystals are healing stones that work in powerful yet subtle ways to attract a desired energy and strengthen your personal energy field. They are tools for self-healing that can improve your health and well-being. Isn't that beautiful? And it's got a little rundown of what each crystal does and which chakra it corresponds with. Now we got red Jasper here, which is going to be the stone for your root chakra. This is going to strengthen you from the inside out. It's going to stabilize you. It's going to help you with your financial situation and the confidence needed to go out there and get what you want out of life. Red Jasper is a very powerful, strengthening crystal. Helps you achieve your goals. Very excellent stuff. Very much a grounding, stabilizing, earthy type of crystal. Next will be Carnelian for your sacral chakra. Carnelian is the stone of motivation, the stone of passion. It's also an excellent stone for creativity as well. I absolutely love Carnelian. It's like a nice, wonderful blood orange color. And all of these, if you're right-handed, you hold these in your left hand. If you're left-handed, you hold these in your right hand. That's your receiving hand. So you just receive the energy of that crystal. You breathe in its energy. And breathe out everything else that's weighing you down. We got this tiger's eye, which is an excellent crystal. It's for your solar plexus chakra. It's going to promote self-love. It's going to really build that confidence, help you with perseverance, strength, inner strength, self-love, and it's really, really good for helping you achieve goals. It's like the stone for perseverance. Really cool. And it looks awesome too, any way the sun hits it. You get that gorgeous yellow, bright luster. Really an incredible piece. Love Tiger's Eye. Aquamarine. This is going to be stone of the heart chakra. A great stone for love. Nice, subtle, beautiful, loving type of energy that comes from Aquamarine. Very, very cool. Helps you go with the flow and be like water. Flow with life's ebbs and flows. Just kind of float along the breeze instead of fighting it with that ego that can get in the way and cripple us. Excellent, powerful stone. Next is going to be blue Sodalite for your throat chakra. Excellent stone for communication. All types of communication. Communication with yourself, communication with the divine, communication with others, your co-workers, your loved ones, all types of communication. Sodalite is also the stone of the artist. So really, really powerful, versatile stone. Helps take that energy that gets blocked or is stagnant or is overactive or underactive and helps you channel that energy to create passion projects and complete them as well. Excellent stone. We got Amethyst next. You know I'm a fan of Amethyst. Who isn't? Nice calming sense of well-being Amethyst gives you is unlike any other. Yes. It raises your consciousness and opens up your third eye chakra to the world around you. Amethyst is an absolutely incredible crystal. One of my absolute favorites. And then we got clear quartz for your crown chakra. This thing's gonna pop open you up to the divine, to the healing rays of the source, the universe, God, whatever you want to call it. This will connect you to it. Clear quartz is also very good for magnifying the effects of other crystals around it and keeping them clean and pure. So it's really a necessity. Absolutely beautiful. It comes with all 7 of these. You can put these on your chakras and meditate with them laying down. Or what I really like to do is take them in my receiving hand. Breathe in that goodness. And breathe out everything that's holding you back. Beautiful crystals. And this very handy card and a bag so you can carry it to and fro as you go. These crystals, amethyst geodes, world-class crystal specimens, sage, palo santo, more collection bags, healing stones, you name it, Cosmic Cuts has you covered. Check us out at cosmiccuts.com. Like and subscribe this video. I'm Michael Parrish, and you guys have an amazing day.